Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And in the past hour and a half, a lot of users have been reporting that Facebook is down. So I actually went to check my account, and on the website, if I go via my PC, it tells me account temporary unavailable. Your account is currently unavailable due to a site issue. So I went to see the down detector, and indeed, look at this spike that starts roughly 4:20 p.m. Eastern time. So this is a little more than an hour and a half now, and you see the sharp rise in people reporting problems on the Facebook issue. So if you get this, it's kind of normal. There is a Facebook issue. Funny thing though, if I use my smartphone with the Facebook app, and there it's fine. I can do everything I want. I can connect. There's no issues. I can go through the different posts on Facebook and so on. So it seems that it's the web page that has an issue because the app itself seems to work fine. So if you're having this account temporary and available, it seems to be a problem with Facebook happening right now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.